In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Strava app. If you've heard about Strava and want an easy way to get started on your Android phone, you're in the right place. Strava is a powerful fitness companion that helps you track activities like running, cycling, walking, and hiking, and it makes staying motivated simple with challenges and social features. We'll walk through the download process using the Google Play Store on your Android device. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Play Store. This is the official place to safely download apps on Android. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or have a stable data connection, since the download requires internet access. At the top of the Play Store, tap the search bar. Type Strava. You should see an app called Strava, Run, Bike, Hike, published by Strava Inc. Checking the full name and the developer helps you avoid lookalike apps. When you find it, tap the app to open its page. Here you can view screenshots, read a quick description, and glance at reviews if you want a bit more confidence before installing. Next, press the install button. Your phone will begin downloading and installing the app automatically. Depending on your connection speed, this might take a moment. It's best to keep the Play Store open until the process finishes. If your device prompts you about permissions or storage, just follow the on-screen guidance. Those prompts are normal for fitness and GPS apps. Once the installation completes, tap Open to launch Strava right away. That's it for the download. From here, you're ready to explore what Strava can do. With Strava, you can track a variety of activities, including running, cycling, walking, and hiking, all from your phone. When you record a workout, Strava uses your phone's GPS to map your route and measure distance, pace, elevation, and time. If the app asks for location permission, allow it so your tracking is accurate. You can also join fitness challenges that keep you motivated throughout the week or month and compare your progress over time. Strava makes it easy to follow friends, cheer each other on, and share your activities, which is great for accountability and encouragement. If you use a smartwatch or fitness device, many of them connect with Strava, so your workouts sync automatically. Look for the option inside Strava to connect compatible devices and services for a seamless experience, and that's all it takes to download the Strava app on Android and